Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, September 3, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result. Ngayon Tuesday, September 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 3, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, September 3, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 16 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 34.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 136.5 million pesos for September 3, 2024 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.